We've all heard the stories about missed opportunities. There are missed opportunities to connect with someone, missed opportunities to tell someone how we feel, missed opportunities to compliment someone or make them feel good about themselves, missed opportunities in the stock market, and last but not least, there are missed opportunities to start a business that could have greatly improved one's financial status. How many opportunities have you come across that's allowed you to start a business which you can run from the comfort of your own home, pretty much on a shoestring budget, and most importantly, helping you to generate a substantial income that grows year on year? Not many, I would have thought. I would now like to present to you a unique business opportunity that you would definitely not want to miss out on, and that is a chance to earn a substantial income from setting up and running your very own home-based recruitment agency. You see, over the past few years, we've seen quite a few stalwarts of the British High Street go to the wall. This is primarily due to the advent of the digital age, which has allowed new online players to provide a service to companies at a fraction of the price of costly bricks and mortar businesses. Now, high street recruitment agencies are certainly not immune to the increased competition created by the widespread use of the internet. The current economic climate has made every company, both large and small, think long and hard of ways in which they can reduce their overheads. For example, finding alternatives to paying high street recruitment agencies' fees, which can be as much as 30% of a candidate's annual salary. The explosive growth of the internet and e-recruitment tools such as job boards, CV databases, social media sites and smartphone apps has created a unique opportunity for ordinary people from all walks of life with no experience of the recruitment industry to learn the skills and knowledge required to set up and run a home-based recruitment agency and have a slice of this £27 billion industry. And here's where you come in. RSU Services Limited, the UK's #1 recruitment startup business specialist, has put together a recruitment agency startup business program with a step-by-step guide showing you how you can set up and run your very own home-based recruitment agency and earn a substantial income by undercutting traditional high street recruitment agencies. Operating a home-based recruitment business with minimal overheads and low running costs gives you the unique opportunity to have the same effects as iTunes had on the music industry by providing candidates to clients for far less than the fees charged by traditional high street recruitment agencies. Our recruitment agency startup business program will show you how to set up and run your very own recruitment agency from scratch, plus go through the exact steps required to run a highly successful agency. The business model is a tried and tested system that has enabled our new startups to generate a substantial income within the first few months of starting their recruitment agency. We provide a comprehensive training program showing you how to deal with a whole range of recruitment activities, from sourcing vacancies right through to finding the perfect candidate for the job. Once again, previous experience of the recruitment industry or running a business is not necessary, as we'll provide you with all the tools, knowledge and skills required through our step-by-step business development program that will help ensure you get your business off to a flying start. Your business startup training program will cover the following topics: how to set up and run your home-based recruitment agency on a shoestring budget, how to choose a search engine friendly domain name for your recruitment agency, financing the growth of your recruitment agency with the aid of government grants, how to find immediate jobs for your chosen industry, how to source immediate temp bookings, contracts and volume business, how to achieve sales of £5,000 from your business within 30 days or less, how to establish an enviable database of clients and candidates, how to identify a recession-proof industry to start your agency, a step-by-step guide on how to manage the full recruitment process, what fees to charge clients and how best to present them, a comprehensive workbook and DVD course designed to help you to get the most from your business startup training program, plus ongoing business coaching with telephone and email support and much, much more. To find out more about how you can quickly and easily set up your recruitment agency, all you will simply need to do is to contact our recruitment team today to discuss how to get started.